how's it going? Welcome to my channel. Today I have another Tesla product to review. The guys from Tparts sent me some real carbon fiber mirror caps for my Tesla Model Y. And in case you haven't seen the other video, let's check the box. Here's the box. Got sent fragile, nice box, and there's tape on it that's branded by Tparts. And I'll put the description link, I put the link in the description for the product, and I'll put the price in the subtitles as well. So, first thing we see is some Chinese packaged 3M double-sided tape, and it has strength. Double-sided tape, I guess that means that it's pretty strong double-sided tape. Yeah, it's labeled and packaged by 3M, and it looks like it was for the Chinese market, is what I would say, but I don't know. That shows you how to put it on, wash your hands, peel it off, then put it on. Yeah, I know all that. On temperatures too, 16 degrees Fahrenheit to 43 degrees Fahrenheit, or in Celsius. But there's no, that's Celsius and there's no Fahrenheit on there. Okay, I said that wrong. 16 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius is what it says. There's no Fahrenheit on it. Anyways, that's not what it is about. Here we have the parts packed in bubble wrap. Let me take one out. And while I do that, this is real carbon fiber. It's packaged really well. You can hear it. And here we go. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. That's the mirror cap that fits my 22 Tesla Model Y. What do you think? This is not the super glossy one. It feels smooth. And when you look inside here, you can tell that this is not just plastic. Okay, that this is the real carbon fiber. You can see it right there. So, to put that on, I have to wash the mirrors off. I have to clean them with alcohol, and then let it dry, and then pop those things on. So step number 2 here is some soapy water, and I'm just gonna wash all this off. I don't know if this is the right way to do this, but you know, it is now. And then I'll have to find some rubbing alcohol and put that on as well. Okay, nice and clean, and after that I recommend using some rubbing alcohol, and I have some here. Had that for quite a while. Doesn't have to be Western Family, of course, but use some rubbing alcohol and then a clean rag, or you have some paper here, and then wipe over it and make sure everything is off and it's nice and clean. Okay, so I'm gonna put the camera aside to do this, because otherwise it doesn't work as well. So then I'll be right back with you. Alright, time has come. Here is the mirror cap. It's pretty thin, and you have to peel off the 3M tape, the red part of the 3M double-sided tape. That little plastic peel, and then my idea is to take this and go straight down on it, and I hope it doesn't stick right away and then get stuck halfway or something dumb like that. I guess they sent that 3M tape in that bag in case this goes wrong, because I don't really need it. It's already on here, and I don't put extra on it. So I really apologize. I can't show you while I do it. I can't show you doing this because I need my 2 hands, and I'm a one-man show here on this channel. I don't have a cameraman or woman. So hold on 1 second, I'll show you how it worked, and if it failed, I'll show you that as well. Okay, I got one on. Look at this. What do you think? I give you my honest opinion. So first of all, the door is a little bit open so that the mirror stays out. So don't worry about that. First of all, I like the way it looks. I think it looks really good. There's a weird shimmer in it that I'm not used to, but that's just because it's different than paint. But I like it. It looks good. I mean, it looks really good. Now, let me tell you though, when I put that on, guess what happened? It did get stuck halfway. And I had to kind of pull it off again and readjust it. And it's really hard to get that on without getting stuck because the tape, and you can't pull it apart. So you have to be really cautious putting these mirror cap skins on. But I got it on right, at least I believe so. It looks like it fits just right here and underneath, doesn't it? Yeah, I got it on right, so it fits. It's easy to put them on, but you gotta be a little cautious to how you do it because it does get stuck. Now here is a question that comes up. How do you clean this and how do you care for this? Just normal car wash, is that okay? You have to put cleaners on, ceramic coat, anything? I think I'll just put a coat of wax or ceramic detail on it just to keep it clean. And I'm seeing how it hold up. I worry a little bit about taking that off if I ever want to take it off. I don't know how it glues, how strong the glue really is and how it would come off. But I do like it, so good job Tparts for producing that, and really I'm saying thank you for sending it to me because I really love it, and you might not know, but I really appreciate it. So I'm so happy that you considered me and that you sent this to me. And if one of you guys wants this, go on my description of my channel and I'll put your referral link in. You click on that link and you get 15% off, so a 15% discount of your total amount of your purchase at Tparts. So good deal for you guys there, and I'll put the price in it too. So if you want to hang on and wait till I have the other one on, so you're welcome to do so, because I'm going to go grab it and we'll put it on. Here we go. So I did a better job with this one. You can see this gap is a little smaller here and it fits good. The other one was my first try, so I think I did just not as good as a job as with this one. So this one looks even better. Let's go see the other one. You think I need to redo this one? See, the gap here is a little larger. You can see the mirror a little bit through there. It just hooked on a little bit too early. So I don't know if I should redo it, if I should just leave it. I personally think I notice it because I know, but I think if someone else looks at the car, I don't think he'll notice. So what do you think? Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and please leave a comment, tell me what you think. If you want to buy this, 15% off through my referral code, so please use it and help me out. And of course, big thanks to Tparts for the good quality carbon fiber product they send me. Have a wonderful evening.